Okay, to answer this one, guys, I want to show you something. Let me show you something. Okay, if I had -3 and 2, you guys would know how to find the magnitude of this, yeah? Yeah?
No.
No? You don't?
No.
Okay, to find the magnitude of it, you do that square root thing, the Pythagorean theorem. You're just trying to find the length of it. So we're going to go -3 squared, and we're going to add to that 2 squared. This is what you were talking about earlier, remember? Over there, that table 5. Okay, so this is going to be 9. And let's see, we're going to add 9 and 4. We're going to add those dudes together. Then we get 13. So I put 13 right there in square root. That is the length, the magnitude, the length of this vector right there.
I remember that.
That's interesting. What if I did this vector times itself? Like the dot product. What would I get? Let's see, I got -3, -2. What are we going to get? Let's see, that's going to be -3 times -3, which is 9, plus 2 times 2, which is 4, equals 13. Oh, wait, so this is the dot product with itself, and this is its magnitude. So how is the dot product related to the magnitude?
It's the magnitude squared.
Yeah, so like if you're doing a dot product, if you're going u dot product u, and you're multiplying those together, I just have to square root it, and that gives me my magnitude. So let's read this question now. The dot product of u with itself is 5, so what's its magnitude?
Square root of 5.
Square root of 5. That's all I got to do. So square root of 5, and we done.
Cool, now let's do